Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Bluetooth is on and your AirPods Pro are paired. This gives access to device-specific options. Once paired, open Settings and tap Bluetooth, then tap the small I beside your AirPods Pro to open their panel. Make sure the AirPods are in your ears or the case is open so the phone shows them as connected, because many settings only appear when the connection is active. Now focus on the main controls. Tap Noise Control to set active noise cancellation, transparency, or off, which changes how much outside sound you hear and why you might pick each. Next, tap, press, and hold AirPods to assign left and right to switch noise modes or summon Siri. This is practical when you want quick toggles. Also verify automatic ear detection, spatial audio, and microphone direction so audio behavior matches how you actually use them. To finish, rename your AirPods for clarity, play audio, or make a call to confirm settings, and adjust volume in Control Center while testing noise modes. Make sure firmware updates by keeping the AirPods connected and charging near your iPhone overnight. If something goes wrong, reset the AirPods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes, then repair via Settings right arrow Bluetooth. This clears persistent glitches and restores access to all options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.